Hey guys, it's Allie, one of the nurse practitioners here at Rejuvenate Medical. Today, let's talk about a question that I get asked often: topical hormone replacement therapy versus injectable, and which one is the best option for you. Topical HRT typically includes gels or creams that you apply to your skin. They're usually preferred for patients looking for a daily, milder option. The benefit is that it's easy to apply and can be done right at home. But keep in mind that topicals may not provide the same stable hormone levels that some people need. Next, let's talk about injectables. Injectable HRT is typically administered on a scheduled basis, either weekly or bi-weekly, and delivers a consistent hormone level. This option is popular for people looking for long-lasting effects and don't mind a little needle now and then, but it's also more precise, which can make a big difference in how you feel. So which option is best? That really depends on you, your lifestyle, comfort levels, and your health goals. At Rejuvime, we help you find the best fit to achieve balanced hormone levels and optimal wellness. If you're curious about HRT, schedule a consultation with us today. Let us find the right fit for you.